So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install Badlion client cracked. This will be an error-free version of Badlion client cracked and you will not have any errors. So yeah guys, let's get right on the video. So firstly, open your file explorer and download this zip file. Link will be in the description. After extracting it, you will get this folder right here. Open it and just copy these two folders, Badlion and Optifine, and Windows plus R, open the app data folder, .minecraft, then go to libraries and paste it there, replace it. Yeah, now just go back and copy these three jar files. Yeah guys, and paste them here in the .minecraft folder, not inside the libraries folder but the .minecraft folder. So yeah, now copy this Badlion client 1.8.9 folder. I accidentally closed the app data folder. 1 second. Yeah, we are back. Now go to the versions folder. Yeah, it will be somewhere down here. Yeah, there it is. Now paste it there. Yeah, 1 second guys, I clicked the wrong button. 1 second. Yeah guys, now we're good. Yeah, now just open your launcher, any of your launchers. Now you will already have the Badlion client 1.8.9 in your launcher if you are using something other than SK launcher, but for SK launcher it is different, so I'm gonna have to add it. So yeah, let me add it. Yeah, let me delete this old one. Yeah guys, add. Custom Badlion client 1.19. Yeah, now here and all other launches will be the same. Now you need to add something in the JVM arguments. It will be in the folder itself. Just open the folder and it will be in the readme text. Copy it, and if there is something already in the JVM arguments, give a space and paste it there. If not, then just paste it there without giving a space. Yeah, I will be back once it launches. 1 second. The launch time is pretty quick, as you will see. It will join pretty quickly before me being able to stop the recording. So yeah guys, we are in the game. Now we can just join a single player world. Yeah, we are in. So yeah guys, you have all the mods. This is an older version of Badlion client, so you might notice a few flaws or UI like being old. You might notice that, but apart from that, the mods are really good and there are a lot of mods. So yeah guys, that will be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.